Hey everyone. Experiencing issues with your Samsung soundbar after a power outage? You're not alone. Power outages can disrupt the functionality of electronic devices, leaving you frustrated when trying to enjoy your favorite shows or music. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix a Samsung soundbar not working after a power outage with a series of straightforward steps that can resolve most common issues. Step 1. Perform a basic reset. The first thing you should do is perform a basic reset on your Samsung soundbar. Unplug the soundbar from the power outlet and wait for about 10 seconds. This allows any residual electrical charge to dissipate, ensuring a clean restart. Once the time is up, plug the soundbar back in and power it on. Check if the issue is resolved. Sometimes a simple power cycle is all it takes to bring your device back to life. Step 2. Check connections. If resetting does not resolve the issue, the next step is to ensure all cables and connections are secured. Inspect the HDMI, optical, or auxiliary cables connecting your soundbar to your TV or media source. Power outages can sometimes cause cables to loosen. Disconnect the cables, check for visible damage, and reconnect them firmly. Also, ensure the soundbar is properly connected to a working power outlet. Step 3. Verify source input. After confirming all connections, ensure that your soundbar is set to the correct input source. Use the remote control to cycle through the available input options and listen for audio output. Misaligned input settings can cause audio to be routed incorrectly, making it appear as if the soundbar isn't working when it's simply tuned to the wrong input. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware might cause compatibility or operational issues, especially following power disruption. Check if there's a firmware update available for your Samsung soundbar. You can typically find update instructions on Samsung's official website or in the user manual. Some soundbars allow updates via USB, while others can update over Wi-Fi. Ensure any available updates are installed to maintain optimal performance and compatibility. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If the problem persists, consider performing a factory reset on the soundbar. Keep in mind this will erase all your custom settings, so it should be a last resort. To execute a factory reset, consult your user manual for specific instructions appropriate for your model, as these can vary. Factory reset will revert any faulty configurations that may have been altered during the outage. Troubleshooting issues with your Samsung soundbar after a power outage need not be overwhelming. By following these steps, performing a basic reset, checking connections, verifying source input, updating firmware, and as a last resort, resetting to factory settings, you can resolve most audio issues efficiently. It's crucial to handle all electronics carefully and ensure your setup is safe and secure to prevent similar problems in the future. Enjoy your soundbar anew and immerse yourself in high-quality audio once again.